You can raise it by yourself, I think.
This is stage 2, where you got a line this way and a line that way. Ready to tilt up this assembly. So what I have is, I have everything rigged. This one kind of has a gap in it, so I just left it without the washer, this one right here. Just so I can get it to the stage that I can, you know, hook up this side. So I got a rope over there holding this up, and then I have this beam is through, it's just kind of straddling the side there, and then I got a rope hooked up to this one here, going there. I got a rope connected to the either side of this cross beam here. I think what I'm going to do is just heft this on top of that ladder, if I can get this stable. And these posts you got to get these nuts really tight so it doesn't move laterally, because these things can still move laterally. Even though I've got them roped here, they can kind of just go and hit that fence. It's possible. It's just if I can kind of just get it stabilized in the up position, perhaps I can get my wife out here. So this is stage 2, where you got a line this way and a line that way.
James, Danny, I'd appreciate if you'd like this video.
And I think I'm just going to be able to get this and heft it up there to the post. Seems like all I need to do is anchor forward and back, and then of course I've got that line in there back. So anyway, that's what we're going to be. I had this beam under this ladder, and then we just I put this up and screwed it in with the ladder this way. And so I'm going to keep it loose for now. I'm going to keep them loose because we still got to move this thing around. Hinging these pieces up first kind of was good. Just going to walk it in place. The lag bolt on this side that needs to go in, so I think you can't have it right up against the house, plus the roof's going to take room. And that was a little handy. I was able to slip a beam, you know, on this rope, and it was able to kind of hold the beam in this I kind of did a loop of rope, and it was able to hold the beam, so I could then just, you know, it was ready just to put in, and then you preload the holes with the bolt.